Hi scholars, this is Mrs. Dietzman. Today I'm going to be showing you how to write a sentence. Okay, readable writing. Number one, start with an uppercase letter. Now number one shows you an example of an uppercase letter. Number two, use finger spaces. Now I always tell my scholars to use their pointer finger in between each word. And number three, end with a punctuation. Now I have some examples on the bottom. So I have a period that goes at the end of a statement, an exclamation point, that's if you want to say something exciting, and a question mark that goes at the end of a question. So if you'd like to do this with me, go ahead and get a piece of paper and a pencil because I am going to show you an example of a sentence that I wrote. So go ahead and get your pencil and your paper. Here is my sentence. It says, I have a cat. Now I need to use my anchor chart to make sure that I have everything that I need for the perfect sentence. So let's look back at our anchor chart. So number one says start with an uppercase letter. Okay, so my sentence starts with a capital I. So I have that. So I'm going to put a check mark above my capital letter. Now I'm going to go back and check my anchor chart. Number two, use finger spaces. So in my sentence, I have a cat. There is enough space between each word. So I have that, so I'm going to put a check mark over that. Okay, so now I have spacing in between each of my words. So now I'm going to go back and look at my anchor chart to make sure I'm not missing anything. Okay, we did 1 and 2. Now we're on step 3. Ends with a punctuation. Let's see. I have a cat. And at the end of my sentence, I have a period. So that is a punctuation mark. Okay, I think I have the perfect sentence. I have a cat. I have a capital at the beginning of my sentence. I have finger spaces. And I have punctuation at the end of my sentence. Now, if your sentence has all three of those things, that means that you have readable writing. You have the perfect sentence. So make sure that you have an uppercase letter at the beginning. You use finger spaces, and your sentence ends with a punctuation. I hope this helped you write your perfect sentence. Bye.